Hello traders, welcome to our daily outlook. We'll start with USDJPY and start from daily time frame. On daily time frame, we can see that this market is still a kind of uptrend. Okay, because if you look at the structure, you can still see that it's giving us it's an uptrend. Okay, and partial retracements ought to have happened here, but the market closed below this structure here and retested it before started falling. So our point of interest is going to be around this area today. So let's move to 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, the first thing you would do is to draw your trend line, okay, to connect the lower highs. That's the first thing you would do. And also, you have to mark your structure properly. This is very, very important. So if we mark this structure, this is what we'll have. And this is the last demand level that we have around this area. But if you look at this overall, it's a downtrend. And several times market has reacted to the trend line. At any time it touches the trend line, it falls. That's a supply region, and currently the markets reacted to the same trend line, and you can see that the price is going down. Okay, USDJPY is going down. So the next thing to do is to move to lower time frame. So what I will do, I will move to 1-hour time frame. So on 1-hour time frame, you can see that the market from this side to this trend line, it was uptrend, and we can see that the market is still falling currently. And the best thing to do, I will mark this this demand level here. This uptrend has changed on 1-hour time frame to a downtrend, and it's an opportunity for me to enter the market. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. So the same thing on 15-minute time frame, we can see that this structure has been taken out. So it's an early sign that the market might be falling. Okay, but on 1-hour time frame, 153.364 has to be taken out. So if I want to take my trade down to this side, I can do it. But mind you, the market will react to this resistance. It's a resistance. Now it will turn to a support for the market to swing a bit high before falling. But I will look at overall, I'll look at the market to, if it can break this structure here, I will be selling USDJPY. Check my analysis yesterday. I predicted this move. So on 15-minute time frame, if we were to do the same thing, you can see that these several structures here have been taken out, telling us that on lower time frame, the price have started falling. Let's look at EURUSD. This is EURUSD from the weekly outlook. This is where I drew all this stuff here, and I told you guys that from this area I will be buying. And you can see, you can go back to the weekly outlook for this week and check this out. So you can see that the market started going up on 4-hour time frame. Look at the structure here. It's very beautiful. So I told you guys, after breaking this structure, I said it would come back for a retest, and that is what I will be waiting for. And you can see it came back perfectly, and the market started going up. Now this have happened, so we have to look at how we can continue to trade this. If you look at this, there is a supply level here that the market is reacting to currently, and it has to break, the price have to break this structure before we can buy. Let's move to daily time frame. So we can see daily time frame that this market is heading towards this area here, this supply zone. So this is where the market might be heading to. And today's candlestick, the way it's going to close above this structure is very important. So if it closes above this structure here, this particular structure, it means the price might be heading to 1.05262. And this is very, very important. So what we'll be looking out for on 1-hour time frame, I will move this here. So our entry style should be the market to break this and come back for a retest. So we'll take advantage of this retest to be in this market, trading Euro USD. So let it break, let it come back for a retest, then we can be in this market. Let's look at another pair. This is gold. If we start from weekly time frame, last 3 weeks I told you guys how I'll be buying gold. All the analysis are in my playlist titled Weekly Outlook. You can check them out over there. I told you guys that I'll be buying immediately this candlestick closed above this level here. And for the past 3 weeks, if you follow the weekly outlook, you will be making money. They are there. You can check them out. So all you can do, just click on the subscribe button so that you can have access to this outlook. If I post any of them, you can look at them and we can take the trades together. Let's move to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we can see that since this structure was taken out, the price has been going up, but a bigger picture, I'll still expect this to retrace back to this area. Okay, there's high probability that it might still retrace back to this area. But let's focus on intraday. That's where my focus will be. One thing you have to understand, I always tell you guys that gold, if you understand the structure of gold, it's to be easier for you to make money trading this commodity. Anytime it breaks a structure, what happens is come back to retest it. Look at it, came back to retest it before, and even this one here, the same thing. After breaking this, came back to retest. This guy too, after breaking this structure, came back for a retest. Now, if the same thing is going to play out, what I will expect from gold is for it to break this structure and come back for a retest. And taking the advantage of coming back for a retest here to enter this trade, it's going to be beautiful. Well, we'll move down to 15-minute time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, I dropped analysis on my TikTok account this morning and it has started playing out already. You can see that this market, I told you anytime the structure is broken, it will come back to retest it before it goes up. Exactly that's what is playing out on 15-minute time frame. So this setup that I drew here, if I have to wait on 4-hour time frame before I can take this trade, it will take a longer period of time. So on my entry time frame, which is 15 minutes, I'll wait for the market to break this structure, come back for a retest, then I will be in this market. That is what I'll be waiting for gold. Overall, gold, the trend from weekly, daily time frame and 4-hour time frame is uptrend, and I'll be waiting for that perfect opportunity to be in this market again. Guys, if you find this insightful and educative, please hit the subscribe button, and also you can give us a like and turn on your notification so that anytime we make any analysis, you'll be the first to know. Have a lovely day.